Welcome to our guide on the best ultra short throw UST projectors of this year. UST projectors have revolutionized home theaters by offering stunning picture quality, convenience, and versatility. These projectors are designed to sit close to the wall, providing a large, immersive display without the need for complex installations. We've evaluated the top models based on image quality, brightness, sound, and smart features. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or someone who loves to host movie nights, these top contenders are primed to meet your needs. As always, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's explore the best UST projectors. Number 5. ViewSonic X 2000B4K. Starting our list on number 5 is the ViewSonic X2000B4K Ultra Short Throw 4K UHD laser projector. This model is designed to provide a true cinematic experience with its 4K UHD resolution and 2000 lumens of brightness, delivering sharp and vibrant images even in well-lit environments. The X2000B4K supports screen sizes up to 120 inches, making it ideal for home theaters. It features advanced color technology, including HDR support, to enhance color accuracy and contrast. The projector also supports Dolby and DTS soundtracks, ensuring an immersive audio experience. One of the standout features of the X2000B4K is its Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows for seamless streaming from your favorite apps and services. The projector's compact and sleek design makes it easy to integrate into any home theater setup. This also includes a smart control app, allowing you to adjust settings and control the projector from your smartphones. The integrated speakers provide clear and powerful sound, while the projector's low fan noise ensures a quiet viewing experience. With its combination of high-quality visuals, rich sound, and smart features, the ViewSonic X2000B4K is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home theater. Number 4. AWOL Vision LTV 2500. Next on our list at number 4 is the AWOL Vision LTV 2500 4K UHD Ultra Short Throw Triple Laser Projector. This model is a powerhouse, designed to deliver a cinematic experience with its triple laser technology and 4K UHD resolution. The LTV 2500 offers 2600 peak lumens, ensuring bright and vibrant images even in well-lit rooms. One of the standout features of this projector is its ability to produce a massive 150-inch display, making it perfect for home theaters. The LTV 2500 supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, providing exceptional color accuracy and contrast. This model also includes active 3D capabilities, allowing you to enjoy 3D content with stunning clarity. This comes with a Fire TV Stick 4K Max, giving you access to a wide range of streaming services and apps. The integrated 60-watt speakers deliver powerful, immersive sound, enhanced by Dolby Atmos technology for a true surround sound experience. The projector also features dynamic laser dimming, which adjusts the brightness of the lasers in real time to optimize image quality. With its sleek design and advanced features, the AWOL Vision LTV 2500 is an excellent choice for those looking to create a high-quality home theater experience. Its combination of bright, sharp visuals, rich sound, and smart capabilities makes it a top contender in the UST projector market. Number 3. Nexigo Aurora Pro. Next on our list at number 3 is the Nexigo Aurora Pro, a feature-rich UST projector that offers impressive performance and versatility. This model utilizes tricolor laser technology to deliver vibrant, lifelike images with 4K UHD resolution. With 2400 lumens, the Aurora Pro ensures bright and clear visuals in various lighting conditions. The projector supports screen sizes up to 150 inches, providing a large, immersive viewing experience. It features HDR10 and HLG support, enhancing the dynamic range and color depth for more realistic and detailed images. This also includes Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, ensuring top-tier audio and visual performance. One of the standout features of the Aurora Pro is its dynamic laser dimming technology, which adjusts the brightness for optimal picture quality. The projector also supports active 3D, allowing you to enjoy 3D content with impressive depth and clarity. The integrated 60-watt speakers provide powerful, high-quality sound, making external speakers optional. This is designed with smart features, including Wi-Fi connectivity and a built-in app store, allowing you to stream content directly from the projector. The sleek design and user-friendly interface make it a great addition to any home theater setup. With its combination of bright, detailed visuals, rich sound, and smart capabilities, the Nexigo Aurora Pro is a top choice for those seeking a high-performance UST projector. Number 2, LG HU915QE. The LG HU915QE Ultra Short Throw 4K UHD Cinebeam projector stands out for its exceptional image quality and smart features. Utilizing a 3CH laser system, it delivers vivid and accurate colors with a stunning resolution of 3840 by 2160. With an impressive 3700 ANSI lumens, it ensures bright and clear images even in rooms with ambient light. This projector is capable of projecting a screen size up to 120 inches from just a few inches away, making it ideal for compact spaces. The HU915QE supports a wide range of HDR formats, including HDR10 and HLG, ensuring a high dynamic range for a more immersive viewing experience. Its TrueMotion technology smooths out fast-moving scenes, making it perfect for sports and action-packed movies. Smart functionality is integrated with LG's WebOS 6.0 platform, giving you access to streaming services like Netflix and Apple TV, plus directly from the projector. The sleek design allows it to blend seamlessly into any home environment, and its intuitive setup makes it user-friendly. While it comes with built-in speakers, the audio experience can be further enhanced with external sound systems for a truly cinematic experience. Overall, the LG HU915QE is perfect for those seeking a high-performance projector that combines stunning visuals with smart technology. Number 1. Samsung Premier Projector. Taking the top spot on our list is the Samsung 130-inch, the Premier Ultra Short Throw 4K UHD Smart Triple Laser Projector. This model is designed to deliver an unparalleled viewing experience with its triple laser technology and 4K UHD resolution. The Premier offers a massive 130-inch display, making it perfect for home theaters. With 2800 lumens of brightness, the Premier ensures that images are bright and clear, even in well-lit rooms. The projector supports HDR, providing enhanced contrast and color accuracy for a more immersive viewing experience. The built-in 4.2 channel surround sound system, enhanced by Dolby Atmos, delivers powerful and immersive audio, eliminating the need for external speakers. One of the standout features of the Premier is its smart capabilities. The projector includes built-in Alexa, allowing you to control it with voice commands. The user-friendly interface provides easy access to popular streaming services and apps, making it simple to find and enjoy your favorite content. The sleek and modern design of the Premier makes it a stylish addition to any home theater setup. With its combination of large screen size, bright and detailed visuals, rich sound, and smart features, the Samsung 130-inch The Premier is a top contender for the best UST projector. As we conclude our exploration of the best ultra-short throw projectors of the year, it's evident that each model offers unique features tailored to enhance the home theater experience. From the rich sound and vibrant visuals of the AWOL Vision LTV 2500 through the advanced technology and user-friendly design of the Nexigo Aurora Pro to the compact and efficient setup of the ViewSonic X2000 B4K, and culminating in the unrivaled performance of the LG HU915QE and the Samsung Premier. This selection represents the forefront of UST projector technology. These projectors not only meet but exceed the very demands of today's entertainment enthusiasts, providing versatility, superior image quality, and immersive audio. Ensure you check the links provided for detailed pricing and availability, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. Thank you for joining us on this technological journey.